The United States is gearing up for a poll verdict on November 3 in what is arguably one of the most crucial and unconventional elections in the country's history. Although the world does not have to wait long for the results of the poll, however, becomes the next US President, Republican candidates Donald Trump or Democratic candidates Biden. It is evident that this election is taking place at a very critical moment in history. Americans have to make a critical decision that will have significant repercussions for not just national politics but also global issues such as the COVID 19 pandemic, superpower relations, and the climate emergency. Excitement is at an all time high and can be gauged by the record number of voters who turned up in states where early voting is taking place. Official tallies suggest that more than 8 million Americans have already cast their ballot, a turnout which sets the stage for America's highest participation rate in over a century, all against the backdrop of the pandemic and economic recession and the country's deeply polarized and politics. In the months leading up to the election, the American people have been divided over whether they want to see the current president and his performance over the last 4 years continue. But as we await their choice, it is important to reflect on how and the Trump presidency has been and his administration have fires on multiple fronts and have been on the wrong side of far too many rights issues. This term has been unprecedented discrimination against immigrants, heated racial tensions, and the highest number of COVID 19 cases and deaths in the world. On the foreign policy front, Mr. Trump has escalated tensions with China, pulled out of a nuclear deal with Iran, and unsuccessfully tried to reinvent Middle East politics. In one particularly shocking movement, soon after he was elected, Mr. Trump pulled out of the 2015 Paris Agreement, a culmination of his persistent denial of the climate threat, which has far reaching consequences for humanity.